Many people realize the possibilities of YouTube, but some don't even know that you can make money without showing your face. You have probably witnessed successful YouTubers who receive millions of views every month and earn millions of dollars. However, there are just as many, if not more, YouTubers who never appear on camera but still generate substantial amounts of income. They maintain complete anonymity. And you don't even know who that is. Here's how it works. You pick a niche, make videos, add value, and upload them to YouTube. The initial step is the most challenging. This involves selecting a niche for your channel. Well, there are numerous niches. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about 30 niches and you'll be able to pick one of them and start your journey on YouTube. In these niches, there are channels that make a few $1,000s a month, and I'll show them to you. But let's make a deal. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Personally, I started YouTube in school. I already have more than 1 million subscribers across all my channels. To give an example, I want to show you this channel I was promoting. 2 days ago, this channel hit 900,000 subscribers. And I also made my first million at the age of 16. And remember that next time you watch a video where the author doesn't show their face, it could be a teenager living with their parents and they're making good money. Just keep in mind that. That's the true beauty of faceless channels. Absolutely anyone can create such a channel. It doesn't matter if you're charismatic or not. And the first niche we'll look at is philosophy. Just think about how many great writers there are who have been creating countless works over the centuries. Is it possible for you to create a YouTube channel where you will do a brief recapitulation of these works? And potentially you can earn a substantial amount of money. Here is a YouTube channel named Philosophies for Life. This channel already has over 1 million subscribers. This channel gets 344,000 views in a month and only uploads 2 videos. Let's check out what videos are coming out on this channel. As you can see, the author of this channel does animation on a white background. So you're wondering how we can create such an animation. It's all very simple. You can use these programs to create such videos. I'll leave links to these programs on my Telegram channel. Link to Telegram in the description of this video. Essentially, you have to do some animation on this white background and add some voiceover. You can voice it using your phone or through a neural network. Check out the previous videos on this channel. I showed a neural network there. If you're curious about how I can check the statistics of other channels, I use VidIQ extension. You can find a link to this extension in my Telegram channel. Let's calculate how much this YouTube channel earns. This YouTube channel gets 344,000 views per month. We need to divide this number by 1,000 and we get 344,000 views. Now we gotta multiply this number by the show, so how much money does the channel earn per 1,000 views? In my estimation, a channel like this earns $5 for every 1,000 views, but this price can vary. 344 we must multiply by 5. So it is $1,720 per month just from monetization. Could you guys sell advertisements on this channel, place affiliate links and things like that, and accordingly earn a much greater amount? Plus, you can make a few more of those channels if you want, but if you're a newbie on YouTube, it's better to start with one channel. The second niche is self-improvement. A lot of people want to self-improve, and consequently the self-improvement market is huge. And as an example, I'll show you the BrainyDose channel. By the way, this channel already has 2 million subscribers. Let's examine the statistics of this channel. Let's click to view the statistics. And this channel receives an impressive number of almost 1.5 million views per month. This is really cool, and he only makes 6 videos. Let's watch this video and figure out how he makes such content. How to become more valuable? 10 practices that will enhance and increase your value. And as you can see, this video was created using stock footage and voiceover techniques. In fact, all of his videos are constructed precisely in that manner. So how do you create videos like that? Where can I obtain stock videos?
On your screen.
I'm showing you free websites with stock videos. The links to these websites are in my Telegram channel. You have to download some stock videos, come up with an original script and do the voiceover. You can make your own videos like this channel. This will be an example for you. If you don't want to shell out for a video editing software, just use CapCut. It's completely free and works on all devices. It works on the phone, on the computer without a doubt. And then you require some good thumbnails and titles to obtain individuals to click on your videos. The third niche is mental health. Just to give you an example, I'm showing you this channel called SciHub. By watching their videos, we can see it's a typical light animation. To create this kind of animation, you can utilize a program such as Animaker.
Link in my Telegram channel. Basically all channels, websites, niches, everything in my Telegram channel. The fourth niche is charisma.
A lot of people want to step up their game when it comes to communicating with others. And this channel Charisma, he's just shooting these videos and making really good money. This channel has 6.5 million subscribers. It's just really weird why they released their last video 2 months ago. Let's check out the stats of this channel, and this channel is gaining in popularity in just a month. 5,286,000 views, and the fact is that they don't even upload videos. These are huge views for such content. Let's calculate how much this author earns. 5,286,000 views divided by 1,000 gives us 5,286,000 views. Our task is to multiply this by 5, and this channel earns $26,430 per month just from monetization, and they haven't even made a video in 2 months. Unbelievable. Well, there you have it, YouTube. These guys don't make videos and they're making 26K a month. The fifth niche is investing. The Chris Invest channel makes videos about investing. Let's check out his video. And as we can see, he's doing animations on a whiteboard. I already informed you about the program's content. The sixth niche is personal finances. There's a channel, Practical Wisdom, that makes videos on personal finance. And what we can see is the exact same animation on the whiteboard. The seventh niche, that's the business of stories. Just consider the number of various companies that individuals are interested in knowing more about. And this channel, called Magnets Media, creates exactly these kinds of videos. Let's take a look at the stats for the past 30 days. 4,360,000, like if you want that kind of stats on your channel too. The eighth niche is job hunting, and there is this channel called Career Addict that creates videos to assist individuals in finding jobs and careers. And so on. And they make a simple animation. I already told you what program you can use to make these animations. Rewind it back if you missed it. The ninth niche, that's the lap of luxury. I'm sure that everyone watching this video right now would love to have a fancy, beautiful life. Well, or buy a yacht. Personally, I would like to. And here's a channel called King Luxury that makes videos about the lives of super rich people, about yachts, planes, mansions, and so on. Let's examine the statistics of this channel. Additionally, this channel receives nearly 6 million views per month. Wow, we have covered 2 categories together, psychology and wealth. Now let us proceed to the next niche category, which is closely associated with health. The 10th niche, this is weight loss, and there's a channel called Bestie Health that creates content on this topic. This channel is getting millions of views and has 4 million subscribers. 11th niche, this is a muscle mass set. As you can see, this channel is called Body Hub. Some familiar sound. They have over 1 million subscribers. Let's check out the stats. And they're getting almost 3 million views per month. And by the way, they're posting 4 videos. Quite cool. The 12th niche, medicine. There is this channel known as Natural Cues that creates videos about that. They're getting thousands of views and they have 3 million subscribers. So if you're into health, you can easily create a channel on that topic. The key is to run a channel on a topic you enjoy. Let's discuss the third category of content, which is relationships. The first niche in this category is dating. The channel TopThink creates numerous videos on this topic. Let's examine the statistics of this channel. It receives 1.828 million views per month and only uploads 7 videos monthly. This is an impressive statistic, especially for such a niche. The 14th niche is friendship. This channel also makes videos about friendship. BTW, write in the comments your number of friends. If you have no friends, buy a Huggy and be friends with them. They're good. Let's proceed to the next category of content, tech. The Skills Factory channel is a prime example in this niche. BTW, this channel belongs to the 15th niche. The niches of educational programs. This channel has 400,000 subscribers. They get a lot of views, where videos show how to use different programs. And you have the ability to create identical types of videos using free software without showing your face. The 16th niche is about tech gadgets. Top 10 Zone makes videos on all kinds of gadgets. And the brilliance of this channel is that you have the ability to promote affiliate products. Find goods on trading platforms. Recommend using Amazon or AliExpress affiliate program.
With these affiliate programs, find products to promote, shoot videos about them, and add affiliate links in the description. People will watch your video and someone might want to buy something, so they'll click on your link.
They will pay reluctantly.
You'll receive a share of that. The next big thing is future tech. There's this channel called Future Tech that produces videos about, you guessed it, future technology. Makes sense, if you're into it, you can totally seize this niche and take advantage of it. The 19th niche is mobile technologies, phones, and so on. Just consider the number of individuals currently using phones, particularly those who purchase a new phone annually. Create video on this topic like this channel. 21st niche, virtual reality. As you can see, there are a lot of different videos about virtual reality. People are talking about the best headphones to buy, about some new headphones, and so on. Let's proceed to the next category, travel. However, please do not skip this category because you are unable to travel. You can create such videos at home. To illustrate, I'm showing you this channel. On this channel, videos were published, such as the top 10 whitest states in America. Or, for example, the top 10 toughest small towns in America. Let's check out how these videos are made. As you can see, this author creates videos by utilizing stock footage and performing voiceovers. Let's take a look at the statistics of this channel. There are almost 6 million views per month on average. Great, like it and you'll have identical stats, as long as you don't slack, of course. Next is a travel guide. Consider it, when we are going to a new location, we open YouTube or visit websites where we search for activities to engage in. And you can visit the US News Travel website or other similar websites in order to find a couple of top places that you will discuss and talk about in your video.
You also need to write a script in your own words, add more value, and easily make such videos without showing your face. 23. Niche, finances related to travel. Here, for instance, this channel Scary Gary. So for example, he released a video about 15 cheap cities in Europe. And this video was just shot with a drone. Basically, you can create similar videos from home without the need to show your face. Let's move on to the next category of content, education. Think about it, when you want to learn something, you definitely open up YouTube and look for information there. The first niche in this category is the piano. For example, I'm showing you the Piano Nice channel with 1 million followers. The author never reveals their face in any location. Take a look at this video. The author does not display his face, he does not speak, he solely performs the piano. By the way, this channel receives a staggering 21 million views every month. I'm in a state of shock. By the way, to make such videos, you can use this website, link in Telegram. The 25th niche is a whole story. Throughout the history of our world, a whole lot of stuff went down, and you can create a channel with a backstory and talk about these events. Here's a channel called It's History, which mainly focuses on the past couple of centuries. The 25th niche is engineering business. For example, I'm showing the B1M channel, which films about various megastructures, giant skyscrapers, and just incredible engineering projects. And this particular channel receives a total of 9,800,000 views per month on average. The 27th niche, geography. Here's a channel called Real Life Lore that makes videos about different countries. The author was anonymous. This channel has 7M plus subscribers, so let's check its stats. 13,851,000 views per month. And only 2 videos have been uploaded in a month. As you can see, many people are interested in the geography. Let's move on to the next category of content, which is entertainment. The 28th niche is 360 videos. By the way, this channel specifically creates such videos, and in the videos themselves, you can control them by turning left, right, left, down. If you don't know how to make such videos but really want to, you can hire someone on a freelance website. But if you're a beginner, please don't get into this niche because you might lose your money. The 29th niche, sports. In theory, you could create an educational channel for sports to teach people about this type of sport. In fact, channels like this one are entirely focused on that. They receive a lot of views by teaching people how to play basketball. And here's a channel that's mostly about entertainment. It's called Nonstop. This channel has almost 1 million subscribers, but you might have a question. What will happen if I cut yesterday's football match into the best moments and upload it on YouTube? Will I have any issues with copyright? Yeah, you could definitely run into some issues because you're violating copyright and they could delete your video, which is really bad because they could delete your channel.
I wouldn't recommend doing it that way. Instead, you can make a channel similar to this one which primarily focuses on gamers. In their vids, they discuss how this player lives, his earnings, and more. These videos are really cool. The 31st niche, scary channels. The Dark Pipe channel releases some scary videos. Mostly they release videos of the top 5 scary and mysterious things. And right now, stay tuned to the channel and check out some other videos. See you in the next video.